Hello, so while it's still sunny, I've just got a little thing to fix before I crack on. Solar lights, they stopped working. They're about a year old. They cost £10 and didn't really want to throw them away. Thought they'd be fixable, so took the back off, took the battery out, which was looked to be quite corroded, NiMH battery, AA. So now you can see, I'm just checking for any voltage from the solar panel, just to check whether the solar panel's broken. And but just bear with me. You can see when I get the contacts on the right place, we do actually get some voltage from the solar panel, which makes me think it's probably worth buying a new battery for £2. And yeah, when that arrives next week, or I can't remember if it was next week or the week after, I'll pop that in and I'll show you the update. But yeah, just using my electronics multimeter just to fix a garden solar light. There we go. Right, next back to the technical stuff. More technical. I've decided to go down the road of looking at an Arduino. Keep reading about them on my travels, and I purchased one from eBay. I've got a book which hopefully will teach me how to use it and set it up and program it. And yeah, stay tuned. Once it arrives, I'll be showing you the Arduino.
So where did you get to with the CNC projects then, Clever Clogs?
Well, one of the things with building projects like this is a lot of the components come from China, so to save cost, obviously I'm getting them from sourcing them from China, and the delivery time is often 2, 3, 4 weeks. I've got these rails. I'm actually waiting on some 24 AWG wire so that I can extend the wires from the stepper motors back to the Raspberry Pi. Once I've done that, then I'll check how I can assemble everything in the best way, and then I'll be in a position to start drilling the holes in the bits of wood, the bits of plywood that you can see here. And I've obviously got sidetracked by looking at Arduinos and other bits and pieces, but yeah, suffice to say, I'm ordering bits still, and I'll keep you updated regularly. Summer's just about to finish here in the UK, so yeah, stay tuned, and there'll be a few more updates coming your way for your viewing pleasure.